Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the third place match. The scores are Westwood High on 4 points, Ardenne High ahead on 9. You'll have noticed Ardenne picked up a point. The judges accepted their answer to the chemistry question. What is the chemical name for fool's gold? They said iron sulfide, and it has been accepted. As we get into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Westwood High, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which of the 7 churches of Asia did John accuse of dwelling where Satan's seat is?
Pergamos.
That's right. What is the name of the apparatus used to collect living creatures from soil or litter?
Petri dish.
Tulgrin funnel. Spell chauvinism, which means an attitude of superiority.
Chauvinism.
That's right. Who is the custos of the parish of St. Andrew in Jamaica?
Pass.
Ian Forbes. What was the name or title starting with S for a provincial governor in the ancient Persian Empire?
Sultan.
Satrap. The Bering Strait separates Russia from which U.S. state?
Alaska.
That's right. Which Jamaican reggae artist died in a fire on December 9, 1994 at the age of 28?
Pass.
Garnet silk. What is the symbol for the element nobelium?
Nobelium.
NB.
And O. What is the difference between 48 squared and 46 squared?
188.
198. Who played the lead male role in the movie classic Casablanca?
Pass.
Humphrey Bogart. Okay, ladies, that was your first minute. Ardenne High, coming over to you now. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, which of the 7 churches of Asia did John criticize for having left their first love?
Ephesus.
That's right. To which phylum does Spirogyra belong? Chlorophyta. Spell quorum, which means the minimum number of persons
Quorum.
Again?
Quorum.
Correct. Who is the town clerk of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation in Jamaica?
Robert Hill.
That's right. What was the name or title starting with S given to the emperors and kings of Iran?
Sultan.
Shahs. The Gibraltar Strait separates Spain from which African country?
Morocco.
That's right. Which Jamaican reggae star died on the 11th of May, 1981?
Bob Marley.
Correct. What is the symbol for the element fermium?
FM.
That's right. What is the difference between 60 squared and 58 squared?
3 times 180. 236.
That's right. Who played the lead male role in the movie classic A Streetcar Named Desire?
Pass.
Marlon Brando. In which country did the Mau Mau uprising occur?
South Africa.
Kenya. Name one of the teams which has won the NBA title in the U.S. the most times. That's correct. Or the L.A. Lakers. Well done, Ardenne, for your first minute. Westwood, coming back over to you now for your second minute. In which country did the Salt March, an act of civil disobedience, occur?
South Africa.
India. Which team won the NBA title in the U.S. in 2020-2021?
Milwaukee Bucks.
That's right. What is the name of the sensitive instrument for detecting or measuring small electric currents?
Galvanometer.
That's right. Which vegetable in Spain is el repollo?
Repollo. Radish.
Radish.
Sorry?
Radish.
Cabbage. Who wrote the poem The Prize Cat?
Pass.
E.J. Pratt. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Shoes alone know if stocking.
Tier.
Hole. In the Bible, Eglon was a king of which country?
Assyria.
Moab. Which hormone in the body is also known by its abbreviation CG?
CG.
Pass.
Chorionic gonadotropin. Using the word chew, give an English idiom which means to gossip or make friendly small talk.
2.
Pass.
To chew the fat. Who is the deputy leader of opposition business in the Jamaican Senate?
Angela Bromberg.
Donna Scott Motley. The Layou is the longest river in which Caribbean country?
Haiti.
Dominica. The national flag of which country? And we won't have time. Well done, ladies, for your second minute. Coming back over to you now, Ardenne. It's time for your second minute. Give the first and last names of the Italian scientist after whom the galvanometer was
Luigi
named.
Galvani.
Correct. Which fruit in Spain is la cereza?
The cherry.
That's right. Who wrote the poem Childhood of a Voice?
Martin Carter.
That's right. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Nanny goat never scratch him back till?
MC Wall.
That's right. In the Bible, which judge of Israel made a dagger with 2 edges?
Ehud.
Correct. Which hormone in the body is also known by its abbreviation MSH?
Pass.
Melanocyte-stimulating hormone. Using the word cat, C-A-T, give an English idiom which means to query someone's silence when they're being unusually quiet.
Pass.
Cat got your tongue. Who is the opposition spokesperson on education in Jamaica?
Angela Brownberg.
Correct. The Artibonite is the longest river in which Caribbean country? Correct. The words on which country's national flag, when translated, read order and progress?
Brazil.
That's right. To what family of musical instruments does the double bass belong?
String.
Correct. H3PO4 is the formula
Phosphoric
for
acid.
which? Correct. What are the... and we won't have time. Okay. Well done there, Ardenne, for your second minute. Ladies, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. To what specific family of musical instruments does the clarinet belong?
Clarinet.
Breastwind.
Breastwind.
Woodwind, H2CO3 is the formula
Carbonic
for which
acid.
acid? Sorry?
Carbonic acid.
Correct. What are the factors of x squared plus x minus 72?
Yeah, go ahead.
X minus 9 into X plus 8.
X plus 9 and x minus 8, which late local actor was fondly called Maffy.
Well, good.
That's right. To which West African country were Jamaican Maroons once sent by the
Sierra
English?
Leone.
That's correct. Mutaya Murilitharan was a former spin bowler for which country?
Sri Lanka.
Correct. What is the name given to the temperature at which all molecular motion ceases?
Absolute zero.
That's right. Translating to English, tenemos hambre.
We are hungry.
That's right. Which Trinidadian author wrote the novel 15 Dogs?
Michael Anthony.
Andre Alexis, which Jamaican high school has buildings linked to what was originally Fort Charlotte?
For Charlotte.
Hanover. Lucy High School.
Sorry?
Lucy High School.
Rusiz High. In the Bible, how long did King Solomon take to build his palace?
7 years.
13 years. Which of the following is the average gestation period for and we won't have time. Well done, Westwood, for your third and final minute. Ardenne, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute.
Yes.
What are the factors of x squared plus 7x minus 60?
62. X plus 12, X minus 5.
That's right. Which local actor is also known as Fancy Cat?
Just real name.
Alton Ellis.
Alton Hardware. Which West African country was founded in the 1800s by
Liberia.
freed slaves? Correct. For which country did Sachin Tendulkar play cricket?
India.
Correct. What is another name for the center of gravity of an object in a uniform gravitational field?
Center of mass.
That's right. Translating to English. Una mesa para cinco, por favor.
A table for 5, please.
That's right. Which Trinidadian author wrote the novel Divina Trace?
Michael Anthony.
Robert Anthony. Which place in Jamaica was once called Charles Square?
Sam Sharp Square?
Sorry?
Sam Sharp Square.
That's right. In the Bible, which king was the son of Nebat?
King.
Omri.
Jeroboam. Which of the following is the average gestation period for a giraffe? 15 months, 18 months, or 21 months?
15.
That's right. Using the word nines, give an idiomatic
To be dressed to
expression.
the nines.
Dressed to the nines, to be wearing smart or glamorous clothes. Well done, Ardenne, for your third and final minute. That's the end of the speed challenge. Scores in the match look to be Westwood High on 15 points. Ardenne High pulling ahead to 35, but you're still in the game, Westwood. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. This third place match in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after this.